We have identified a process window model that aids in predictive requirements for working with bilayer structures and insulator materials. We've developed a new top layer resist that should, with the process window model described, further expand the possible application range for a bilayer masking structure. And finally, these findings are likely to enable support of new 5G sensor development and devices. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time and interest for listening to this overview presentation of our investigation. If you'd like to obtain a copy of the more detailed paper or have questions, please feel free to contact me.